Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to disable chat in chess.com. First of all, launch open chess.com application. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to disable the chat, it is actually very simple. What you have to do is tap on the more option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option settings that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find various settings options over here. Out of these options, what you have to do is find the option for social and tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various options in this interface. You'll be able to find the options like allow friends to find you via contacts, allow game chat, who can message you, etc. So if you want to disable the chat, what you have to do is simply tap on this option, allow game chat. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find three options over here: everyone, friends only, nobody. Tap on this option, nobody. After you do that, the game chat will be disabled. Likewise, you'll also be able to disallow anyone to message you. Simply tap on this option, who can message you. Now again tap on this option, nobody. Now overall chat will be disabled in chess.com. So that is how you disable chat in chess.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.